Hello everybody, happy holidays. Yes, Christmas is almost here, and today I create beautiful look using the newest holiday eyeshadow palette from MAC. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use this eyeshadow palette. Also, I will show you clothes, colors, and if you wanna look young and beautiful after 45, this is definitely a channel for you. Because I will show you, I will teach you step by step how I create this look. And I do not have a perfect skin. I have lots of discoloration, pigmentation, large pores. I have everything what I don't want to see it. But I know what products to use to make my skin look young and how to look fabulous. Name for this eyeshadow palette is Sparkle Storm. We do have with you matte colors, we have a shimmer colors here, but again look at the 6 eyeshadows here. This eyeshadow palette $33. We have a 6 eyeshadows here, and if you're tired of again bronze and brown and gold, it's a perfect palette. And let me show you these colors. This is one of my favorite. Again, it's burgundy, but it's have like a sparkly blue sparkle. This is matte, beautiful shimmer, white color, and this is actually, it's still blue, but it's not so intense blue how we see in a palette. This is palette already on my eyes. I do like this look. If you like this look, please give me a like, and actually let me know where you from. I'm originally from Ukraine, but now I live in United States. And you know what? People some messages me. I'm from Canada, I'm from Ukraine, I'm from Bulgaria, but please let me know where you live. It's kind of fun to know. First, my step, I need to take care of my face. I do have discoloration, pigmentation, but I do not worry. I have the best foundation, and this foundation is double wear. It is a little bit dry right now for this season for winter, but I'm gonna use double wear, and I'm gonna add few drops Genifique serum. This serum it have hyaluronic and it's also treatment. Basically, I will mix these two products together, and then I will put on my old mature skin. Just kidding, but you will see it is magic in a bottle. And look at this side and this. It is huge different. You can still, my skin don't looks dry. It looks really hydrated. Okay, let's do another side. Foundation is done, and I also put foundation little bit under my eyes, and I will put on my eyelid. And I have a little secret. I have large pores, right? I use in primer, but sometimes it's not enough. I have my little bit like, we'll say, blending brush. This is MAC brush, and I'm gonna little bit, I have foundation here. I kind of do like a circle emotion, I will say blending here, and I can see how it's foundation like this it's a tip to make your pores little bit smaller. Or what you need, just any brush you use, like circle emotion, and just scroll, and your pores it disappears. Now let's use concealer. Today I'm using brand new Lancome concealer. It's a serum concealer, light to medium coverage. It's the first time I tried this concealer, And I'm not sure, I do see beautiful glow. It is pretty light coverage, but I don't know why I feel it's gonna move. I'm not sure. My skin looks great, but my lips feel so dry, and now I'm gonna put lip balm or this lip conditioner from Yourself. This is supposed to be really, really good. It feels like oil. It feels also like, it feels like it's like a lip plumper. I love this big brush. I feel a little bit pale and we need bronze. I'm gonna use bronze from North and it's color Laguna number 2. Just gonna apply right here and close to my hairline. And I'm gonna just like blend and pushing this bronze a little bit up close to my hairline. I feel I need today hairband. I will be right back. Oh, definitely feels better and looks even better. Now I'm gonna put again a little bit bronze right here underneath. Now let's put little bit blush and highlighter. I just got this set from Sephora and we have a mini here blushes and highlighters from Beauty Wear. Of course, I will list it below, product name and color. Okay, let's use one of this highlighter and little blush. I actually am very excited. I like to put liquid blush on my hand first. For some reason, I do not like to apply right away on my cheeks. Sometimes it's like too much, it's hard to blend, it just don't look right. I like to apply on my hand. I like to use my beauty blender. And now, like, I apply on my beauty blender and now I'm gonna apply. This is so pretty, very soft blush. Ooh. We have a blush with you and I like how it looks, this blush. It's not looks dry, it gives me nice beautiful glow and little color. And now it's time to use this mini highlighter, Transfer, I believe name. I'm gonna apply a little bit right here and I'm gonna use my big blending brush from Lancome. I really like how blush look, but highlighter, I don't know why it don't looks good on my skin today. It's kind of, I just do not like it. But I knew 100% I have this highlighter, and this is one of my favorite highlighter from Beauty Wear. This is like, you never can go wrong with this highlighter. I'm gonna use this later. Time to set my makeup. I'm gonna use loose powder. It's Givenchy. Everybody say it's the best powder. Do I like a lot? And my color, I choose number 2. They have two different. One is pinky and this one it's more like neutral color. And for some reason I like this better on me. I'm gonna use big brush. Applying on my brush, then little bit will say put product on my hand, removing extra, and now it's time to set my foundation. Also, it's almost nothing here. I'm gonna apply a little bit under my eye this powder, but again, this is brush, it's almost like don't have much product at all. Today I have on my eyelid just concealer, and you know what, I need to put little bit powder to set my concealer, because when your eye open close, it will melt. It's not gonna stay pretty. This is why I'm gonna set my concealer with powder, loose powder from Givenchy, and then we're gonna apply eyeshadow. And of course, one more step, I need to do my eyebrows, and I will be right back. Eyebrows, it's done, and now we're gonna use eyeshadow palette. First color, we're gonna use this matte burgundy color. And I'm using again big blending brush. I'm using my hand to take like extra some eyeshadow if I have, or like I don't want to go with heavy right away color on my eyelid. Again, I apply above my circle area, and I just very softly build color. And even you see it's pretty dark color, but not on my eyelid. And I'm gonna apply little bit more this color, and I'm gonna apply right here on the corner of my eye. Oh, I love this color. It's make my eyes, I feel like, really blue. We have with you only one color, but it looks so soft, natural, and don't look dark, right? Now I have a flat brush, and we're gonna use this color. And this color I apply on my lower lid. I don't know about you, but I really like this second color. It is burgundy, but it has this like a beautiful blue, like sparkles. It's hard to find color like this. I feel more younger and younger. Yes, makeup, it's make huge difference. You agree with me? And now we're gonna use a small tiny brush from North. It's my favorite. And we're gonna use this darker color. And this dark color I'm gonna apply close to my lashes, but I don't go all the way to the corner, just kind of applying on a half, starting from half of my eyes, and just gonna push a little bit more and apply little more and build color right here on the crease. And let's use this darker eyeshadow a little bit underneath. Now I have again big blending brush, clean blending brush, and we're gonna just right here blend this darker eyeshadow, and I pushing this eyeshadow little bit up. Wow, I love this eyeshadow, and if you like to, please let me know. We're almost done. Now I'm gonna use lightest color in this palette. We're gonna apply close to my lashes, or sorry, eyebrows, and then I'm gonna put a little bit in the corner. And I know a lot of you very scary to use this turquoise eyeshadow, but do not. But you have two option. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow, but if you don't wanna use, you can use this color. It will be very pretty. It will be a same. You're gonna apply on same area. Light color I'm gonna apply close to my brow bone right here. It's gonna give me nice beautiful extra lift. After 45 I need it. Again, we're almost done. Now I'm gonna use my finger, and we're gonna use this beautiful blue eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply right here on center my eyelid. And I reapply few times to build colors. This blue color, it's not too intense. My eyes, it's almost done. Colors look beautiful, nice beautiful pop. I like how this blue looks not too intense. We see blue, but again, it's not like a too bright. And this matte eyeshadow gorgeous, and light color is beautiful. All these colors look so pretty and put together. And now I need to use Lancome Lash Primer. I need a nice beautiful lashes, and I'm gonna use Chanel Le Volume Mascara. This is mascara will give me lots of volume. Okay, I finished my look. You can see I have lots of mascara, and this is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. Don't be scared. I'm serious, can be daytime look or can be evening look, but it's something different. It's not like red, it's not bronze, it's not gold. It is very different, unique palette. Gorgeous eyeshadow, and it's a good quality. I feel so young and fresh. If you like this look, please give me like, comments below. But let's finish this look with nice beautiful lip color. Today I'm gonna use this beautiful like a lippy stick. It's actually ColourPop lippy stick its name, and it's color Parker. It's a beautiful neutral color, and what I like about it's lipstick and lip liner together. And then I'm gonna put one more time this beautiful lip treatment from Yourself, and again it's a lip conditioner, and that's it. We're almost done. Wow, I love this lip color. I believe it's only $8. I bought this in Ulta. So pretty. Voila, what do you think? I think it's a beautiful look, and again it's all about to stay young and beautiful every day, right? Love you more than ice cream. Comments below, and happy holidays.